What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got that Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in graphite on deck. One of my favorite phones, my favorite colorway right here. And today we got something very dope. Got a very dope case video, guys. Today we got something real special. Shout out to Pitaka. Work with Pitaka. They send out cases and things of that nature for your boy to put on the channel, and they actually sent your boy out a limited edition series case for the S23 Ultra. What we got today is the Pitaka Pixel Game. This is the MagEZ Case 3, but a limited edition. As you can see on the box, it's actually a limited edition design. They've only made 2,500 of these cases. All these cases are numbered, and they actually come with little accessories. It's just a whole collectible edition that's very dope. So first and foremost, we got a little package here. Pixel Game, every move is a nice move. So as you can see, very dope packaging. And you open this up, and we have like a little pendant here. We have the elf. This is the shining elf. He has the power of the light. You can pause this and read it for yourself. But this is very dope little stuff, guys. This is actually made of metal. I mean, you can tell this is some handcrafted stuff. And the colors, I love this colorway. This green and blue colorway, these tones look really good together. And as you can see, it's basically magnetic. A lot of the stuff I'm gonna keep in the packaging, because little collectible stuff like this I really like to keep together. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox the case. This is actually, you can go onto their website, guys, and actually play the game. This is a playable game on the Pitaka website, the Pixel Game. You can go play it, have some fun with it. And they also have the downloadable wallpapers, as you can see on my S23 Ultra. We already know how dope the MagEZ Case 3 is. I got the future weaving one also for my S23 Ultra, but as you can see, it's definitely ultra slim, lightweight, MagSafe compatible, and premium aramid fibers. You know, Pitaka is one of the most premium brands when it comes to these aramid fiber cases. I love that stuff. You'll see a ton of that stuff on my channel. The thinnest and lightest Galaxy S23 case with MagSafe, so very dope. Now all together, we're gonna see what's in this box. We're gonna open it up like so. As you can see, alternative tech lifestyle Pitaka. Just basically open it like a book, and boom, we're greeted with some instructions on how to remove the case and things of that nature. We don't need that. First thing we have is about the Pixel Game. Game is not over. Every move is a nice move, and you can go ahead and check it out for yourself at this QR code right here on the screen. Start again. Every new game begins with failure. You go ahead, pause this, read it for yourself. Now look at this gorgeous case, guys. We can sit back, we can look at this while it's in the packaging, and we can see just the attention to detail and all this weaving, all this aramid fiber weaving with these really dope colors, this green colorway and this blue colorway. I mean, the texture, I wish you'll probably see it, but I mean, just to rub your fingers across it is very, very dope. I like aramid fibers with nice texture. It's just a whole different vibe. So as you can see, we got our superhero here going to fight the good fight. We got Pitaka branding, and I love how Pitaka, even though this is a super minimal, super lightweight case, they definitely put some protection in order for our cameras. And as you can see, this is a limited edition. This is actually numbered. It looked like this is case 224 out of 2,500. So again, shout out to them for sending this out. I really didn't expect this, but I really like stuff like this. I already had their Sunset Edition aramid fiber case limited edition on my iPhone. Just them sending this out to me, I really feel a little special. I definitely like this. Definitely wasn't expecting it, but I mean, look how gorgeous this thing look. You got the MagSafe on the inside. Again, limited edition. Every move is a nice move. Nice big MagSafe ring in there. Also got the appropriate cutouts on the bottom. Big Type-C cutout, S Pen cutout, and the cutout for your speakers. But it's not over. We got one more package, Pixel Game. Let's see what this is. Open it up like an envelope, like I'm opening the BET Awards or something. And here we go. Pixel Game. This is actually the ring phone holder for the back, MagSafe, and it's specifically for this edition of case. This thing looks so good, guys. I love these. I have a couple of these for future weaving and my iPhone cases. Really dope. really exclusive. I'm loving this limited edition stuff that Pitaka is doing. This has a really nice feel to it. This is actually really metal. The ring holder, pixel game is definitely in that future weaving type material, and we got that Pitaka branding. Just a very dope accessory. There it is, guys. I mean, looking very dope. The pixel game case. I love this colorful Airman fiber. It's just something different, something you're not gonna see on any other cell phone device, and you definitely not gonna see this one because this is the numbered limited edition. Very dope. Again, I want to thank Pitaka. As you can see, we got our nice big cutouts, and I mean, it's really not much to show. We've seen this before. This is just a dope version. As you can see, we got the noise canceling mic up top. I mean, those cameras are protected. They did put some camera protection in order. I definitely like how they do that. You're gonna have some exposed sides, and even with this S23 Ultra, I'm not mad at that because the way that Samsung built this device is an already nice feel in hand. So to have a very minimal case is an upgrade on this device. Then you go ahead and drop the ring holder on there like so. You could use that as a kickstand or hold the device. I mean, this is just a good look. This is a great look. Shout out to Pitaka. It's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. If you're not following me on Instagram and Twitter, go ahead and follow me, BG_Tech Life. It's just a vibe. I'm out. Peace.